Hello everyone, my name is Sonali Jillawho. I am extremely grateful to the Magic Institute of Excellence for playing a vital role in my career development. The knowledge I have gained through the certification courses in hedge fund operations, investment banking, and financial modeling program has been invaluable. The online sessions and guest lectures provided a deep understanding of finance and real world insights were truly beneficial. A big thank you to Vishal sir and Prathamesh sir who created such environment where the students can learn difficult as well as technical things easily with interactivity. I would like to thank Nikita ma'am and Aisha ma'am for their support throughout the placement process. The overall experience with MIE has been outstanding. I would like to recommend it to those who want to enhance their skills and build a career in finance field. Thank you.